I'm trying to make the iconic face on the internet right now of the two Sonics. Like, let me just say something honest here. I have never played Sonic before. I know. I just never got into the Sonic world. Just like Mario, I never got into Mario either. I mean, wow, I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments saying, you need to play Mario! It just seems like kind of a repetitive game. Kind of like Crash Bandicoot. I love Crash Bandicoot, but it gets kind of repetitive and I have to take a break from it, otherwise I get bored. I'm always like into the story kind of games. Like Persona 5, like it has the story you follow with each character, especially like every character has their own story. I love that. And Danganronpa, you have to like solve the mysteries and there's always a story or a secret. So I always like that about games. I have a PlayStation, so I don't know if I can play Mario, but I don't know if Sonic is part of PlayStation, but hey, I'll play Sonic. You be the judge if I did a better job than the Sonic that's coming in the movie. I think it's definitely better than the old version. He's like, what the hell? The spiky hair, it was kind of like this from the beginning. Like, it wasn't like sectioned off like this. I sectioned it off and hairsprayed it, but the wig came like, it was very, Dragon Ball Z. But I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down if you want to do the Sonic look and you want to have like this spiky hair. You gotta have the spiky hair if you want to do Sonic. It's iconic. Anyway, guys, if you're as excited about this Sonic look as I am, and you want to see more old game characters like Spyro and Sonic, etc., please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. Now, no more horsing around. Let's get right into the video, and let's get started! Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is add our normal foundation, or in my case it's CC cream. And you don't have to cover your whole face, but it makes me feel better if I just cover my whole face. This is how I do it. Okay, next, after priming my eyes, I'm gonna use a similar shade of eyeshadow, similar to Sonic's coloring. I'm basically gonna use the eyeshadow around my eyes so it kind of blends into the rest of the fur. So you see I did a color swatch there, just to make sure it matches the wig. Basically, like the blue in his eye. We're not just gonna do like a straight line like his cartoon form. We're just kind of blend it in. Blend it in. I'm gonna take a darker shade of blue now and cover my lid and just kind of blend it out into the blue. You want this blue to be the star of the show, so try not to use too much dark blue. I tried doing Sonic before and I used way too much dark colors and it didn't look good. I do notice, like, especially in the movie picture, Sonic's eyes are lined on the top black, but not on the bottom. So I think after I shade with black, it's just gonna kind of transition into the dark blue. And then I'm gonna line my eyes black on top and then line my eyes white on the bottom. I think I have a plan here. Okay, last thing I'm gonna do with the eyes is add some mascara, and then if you made a mess, then I'm gonna wipe that away and patch it back up, and then we can move on to the rest of Sonic. Moving on to the rest of Sonic's face, I'm gonna use this color swatch that I did. It's actually Mehron's Lagoon Blue, so I think I'm just gonna do like a clean cartoon, just those nice clean lines, and then try to blend it into my eyeshadows. So I kind of just came up with this technique just now where I am taking the paper towel to protect the clean line down below. And then I'm using a sort of fluffy brush. It's kind of fluffy. And then just dry body paint and then just kind of blending it in. And then I'm going to go in with probably like a light blue just to make kind of like a highlight around the whole thing. See where that skin color is left over? That's where I'm going to add that light blue. Okay, now I'm going to take black eyeshadow and fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to give them that very serious, angry Sonic look. And finally, I'm going to give Sonic his adorable black nose. So I noticed like the middle chest area, I would assume it would be like his belly. It's like in the cartoon and the games, it's like the same color as up here, like a skin color. But then in the movie, it's like white. So I think I'm gonna go with the movie version. I think white would pop more than just like a skin color. So I'm gonna use white and paint the middle chest area and then surround it with blue. I'm gonna do like a kind of a combination of both the movie references and the game references. I'm gonna do like white, like the belly. I'm gonna do white in the middle, like the movie. And I'm gonna do like skin color sleeves, like in the game. So it's gonna be kind of a combination of both versions of Sonic. Now under the fur lines on the arms, I'm going to use a medium brown eyeshadow for my skin color and just shade under the fur. Then I'm taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and then just darkening the shading underneath. Use white body paint and just add a highlight on the other side of the shadows. Okay, I think all that's left to do is paint my gloves on, put my wig on, and my contacts, even though I already have green eyes, but I want my eyes to be even more green. And I think we're done.